This has got to be probably about the coolest thing I have done on the smoke. All right, let's get these potatoes nice and dry. We washed them. What we got, y'all? Yukon Gold. Smoke these bad boys up. I did this before and I didn't record it. And I was like, man, it was so good. We ate those potatoes up in one whop. But it was so good, so creamy, smoky. I was like, man. So this is a great idea for sides, or if you want to jazz it up, add like sausage or some bacon to it, whatever you want to do, you can jazz it up and it'll be super crazy. And it'd be a one good dish. Or, make it a side. Impress your guests, impress your family. All right, let's get these cubed up. Just into nice, manageable pieces. Nothing too crazy. Just like that. Just chop them all up like that. We're going to use a neutral oil. So it's going to be in there hot. Bam, bam. That's it. Nothing crazy. Throw that on up in there. We're going to just make them all fit. Because they're going to get smashed anyway. And we're just going to add a base layer of salt to them. Nothing too crazy. Because we're going to probably salt them again, when they come out. And add some other seasonings to them. So for now, we're just going to just salt them just a little bit. And that's it. All right, let's get these garlic chopped up in there. Gotta have that garlic. We're going to throw it in there whole. Take the skin off. That is going to make it so delicious and sweet. We're just going to throw the whole thing up in there. Of course, chop them up individually. Take the skin off. They're going to be smoke roasted. And when you do the garlic like this, it comes out so good. It be so nice and it's got a nice sweetness to it. It also had that pungent power does it usually has when you chop it up fine. So trust me, it's not going to be garlicky. It's going to be extremely creamy. Alright, that's it, y'all. And then we're going to take this on out to the smoker. Gotta love a cast iron. That's going to be good. We're going to get this up to 350 degrees. I got that post oak wood up in there. Ooh, it's looking like an old campfire. All right, y'all. Let's get this thing going. We're just going to check on it till it's tender. It should be about a couple of hours. All right, let's go. Hey, y'all, we about to make up a real quick season when it comes out the smoker. So, once we smash it, we got a half teaspoon of onion powder. We're going to do a half teaspoon of whole thyme. We're doing a half teaspoon of oregano. We're going to do a half teaspoon of that parsley there. Half teaspoon of chili powder. We're doing a smidgen of cayenne pepper. This is what you call a smidgen. So that's it. And our finishing salt is going to be the Lorry. So that we not add that in there. We're just going to, as we try to figure out the balance of the taste, we're going to be adding the Lorries up in there. We'll be back with the smoked garlic smashed potatoes. Yukon Gold. Man, look at that. Get on away from me. Oh. 185 degrees. All of them are soft. Of course, the ones at the bottom are super tender. It's been 2 hours. We're going to go ahead and take it off and get ready to get our smash on. All right, y'all. We got it inside. Gotta throw some butter up in there now. About a quarter cup. Should do it. Boom. Get you a smasher. Pretty sure you can do it with a fork. smash that garlic up in there too. Just like that, y'all. Go ahead and smash it. Take your time. Got me sweating. All this work and
That was a workout one.
now I'm just going in with a dusting. It's called a dusting. That's it. That's all we need. Dusting. Them seasons we did up. Bam. Yeah, boy. This has got to be probably about the coolest thing I have done on the smoke. Man, it's not about meats all the time. Just a little taste.
Ooh, I know it's good.
A little more dusting.
Little more.
Season the taste. Season the taste.
That's it. Woo, boy. Alright, I want some.
Man, y'all got to do it. I'm about to get this played up for a thumbnail. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. You better do it. You better do it.